My wife never felt without energy after she drank this. Now I will teach you how to prepare this wonderful recipe. Let's start by peeling one carrot and slicing it. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which can improve the body's anti-inflammatory response due to its antioxidant effect. In addition, it stimulates defense cells, helping to strengthen the immune system. The beta-carotenes present in carrots protect the body, preventing the onset of cardiovascular diseases. In addition, raw carrots have a low glycemic index, which favors weight loss, besides being an excellent option for diabetics. Being rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin A and polyphenols, carrots prevent cellular damage caused by free radicals, preventing not only premature aging, but also the risk of cancer. Now cut one lemon in half and squeeze the juice into a 200 ml glass of water. The cold or warm water mixed with the lemon promotes a cleansing in the intestine and facilitates the elimination of residues such as food leftovers and other substances. One of the benefits of lemon, which is little known, is its facility in expelling toxins from the body. The antioxidant action of lemon helps the body to stay healthy longer. In a blender, place the carrot, the water, and the lemon and blend well to obtain a homogeneous mixture. Tell me from which city you are watching us. And our juice is ready. Now all you have to do is drink it once a day, and enjoy all the benefits that already start to appear after 10 minutes. This drink combines two very nutritious ingredients, capable of improving several functions of the body. Therefore, it is a very healthy drink. This juice brings several benefits to the body, besides improving your daily performance and your quality of life. That was today's tip, folks. Thank you to everyone who has watched us this far. May God bless you and all your family. Cheers, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.